Hello students, this is DSE 2019 solution part 10. Okay, the function fx is twice differentiable. F2 and f3 and f4 values are some constant values. Now we need to check the second order derivative. Okay, so twice differentiable. So we can take the power will be at least greater than equal to 2. Now if we take the function in a way that let zx equal to z1 of x minus twice difference, so I'm taking the minimum one, zx square. So z2 equal to z3 equal to z4 equal to 0. So by Lagrange's mean value theorem, it follows that obviously x1 lies between these two given intervals, that is 2 and 3, such that z dash x1 equal to 0 and x2 lies between 3 to 4, like this is also 0. So mean value theorem we can apply, so we can do that z dash and we can get therefore another z3, another x3 we can get, which belongs to this x1 and x2, such that z double dash x3 is z f double dash x3 minus 2 equal to 0. So this lies between 2 and 4, so at this double derivative, so this will only be 2. So answer is last option. Next, now about a marginal propensity base value is being given. The marginal propensity to save MPS is 0.3, marginal propensity to import is 0.1, and the government increases the expenditure by 10 billion, ignoring the foreign income repercussions. How much will be GDP rise? So GDP rise will also be dependent on this. So 10 into this 0.3 plus 1. Okay, so we know that the spending multiplier is 1 by 1 minus MPC into 1 minus this rate structure. So we just put these values into this pattern, so this will give you 25. So the answer to this is 25 billion. Okay, under the floating exchange rate regime, so exchange rate is changing, the expansion in the money supply, monetary authorities will do what? Okay, so buy domestic currency in the foreign exchange market? No, that will create a devaluation problem. Sell domestic currency? No, that is not possible. There will not be any bidders. And do nothing in the foreign exchange market? Yes. Actually, fourth option is not given here, so I'm just telling you the fourth option it's been missed out. Buy foreign currency in foreign exchange market. Okay, so this is not also applicable because buying a foreign exchange market, so that will also create a contraction in the floating structure. So this is the only possible answer. Next, so roll of two fair dice. X is the number on the first die, y is the number on the second die. So which of the following statement is true? X plus y and x minus y are dependent random variable, and x square and y are independent random variable. And the third one is x square and y square are independent random variable, or all of the above. Okay. So obviously x square and y are independent and x square and y square. So this is directly following. So these two are correct. and the other part is, for example, number in the first die. So this can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 y 1 2 3 4 5 6. So x plus y's range is 12 to x minus y. If we do so, the maximum in this case, it starts with the lowest possible value is obviously 0 if they are same. But what is the highest value? So 6 and 1, so highest value is 5. Okay. So obviously these two random variable cannot be independent as well. So this is also dependent random variables. So this is true. So all of the above is true.